Hello dear student, now let us discuss the next application of derivative, that is to find the tangent and normal of any curve. Before that, what is a tangent? If you consider any curve, the tangent at a point P, consider a point P on a curve. Tangent means the line intersect this curve at that point, that is called as a tangent. Here AB is the tangent of the given curve at a point P, and normal means another line which is perpendicular to the given tangent at a point P is called as a normal. Here we have to find how to find a tangent and a normal by using the derivative of a given function f of x. Let y is equal to f of x is a continuous function at x is equal to x1. Let p of x1 comma y1 and q of x1 plus delta x comma y1 plus delta y. Here delta x and delta y is the small change. Here p and q are the two nearer point on the curve y is equal to f of x. Here y is equal to f of x is a function of a curve, and p is a one point and q is the another point on the curve with the distance is delta x and delta y, be two neighboring point on the curve. Then the line PQ is a chord of the curve and its slope is, here PQ becomes a chord of the given curve, then its slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here y2 is y1 plus delta y and y1 is y1 itself, because chord distance between slope of p and q is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1, that is a y1 plus delta y minus y1 divided by x1 plus delta x1 minus x1. Here y1 getting cancelled, that is equal to delta y, and here x1 getting cancelled, that is equal to delta x. Thus the point q approaches to p along the curve. The chord PQ tends to become a tangent to the curve at P. Whenever Q is approaches to P, when Q comes near to P, then the chord PQ becomes a tangent of this given curve y is equal to f of x at the point P. Therefore, slope of the tangent to the curve at P is a limiting value of the slope of the chord PQ as Q approaches to P. When Q approaches to P, then the slope is the limiting value of the function, that is the slope of tangent at P is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y divided by delta x, that is dy by dx. This is delta x tends to 0 means this q approaches to P. Therefore, slope of the tangent to a curve at the point P of x comma y, on it this is the value of dx by dy for the curve at P. This is called as dy by dx is called as a slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, that is denoted by m. Let the value of dy by dx for the curve y is equal to f of x at P of x comma y be m, that is m is called as a slope of the tangent to the curve, given curve, that is y is equal to f of x. Then the equation of the tangent to the curve at P of x comma y is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next is a normal. The normal of the curve at P is the straight line passing through P and it is perpendicular to the tangent at the point P. Therefore, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by m. Here m is the slope of tangent. Therefore, equation of the normal at P of x comma y is y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal is minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Now let us discuss some problem how to find the slope and tangent of the given curve. Here y is equal to 3 into x to the power 4 minus 4x is a curve. At x equal to 4, we have to find the slope of a tangent. Slope of a tangent is dy by dx. M is equal to dy by dx. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiation of 3 into x to the power 4. Here 3 is a constant. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4 into x cube minus differentiation of 4x is 4 is a constant. Differentiation of x is 1 into 1. Here 3 4s are 12, x cube minus 4 1s are 4. 12 into, at the value of x equal to 4, we have to find the slope. So substitute x equal to 4 here, 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 minus 4. 12 into 64 is 768 minus 4, that is equal to 764. Now let's see second problem, that is y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Here x is never be equal to 2, because if x equal to 2, then 2 minus 2 is a 0, then denominator is equal to 0, means this function goes to infinity. Therefore x never be equal to 2. We have to find the slope of this function at x equal to 10. For that we have to differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to, here this is in the form of x by y. We have to apply quotient rule here, that is denominator square, numerator becomes denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator, that is x minus 2 whole square, numerator x minus 2 into differentiation of x minus 1 minus x minus 1 into differentiation of x minus 2. X minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of minus 1 is 0. Minus x minus 1 into differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of minus 2 is 0. Then x minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2 minus x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 square. At the value of x is equal to 10, we have to find the slope. So substitute x equal to 10 here, 10 minus 2 minus 10 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 2 whole square. 10 minus 2 is 8 minus 10 minus 1 is 9 divided by 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 square is 64. 8 minus 9 is minus 1 divided by 64 is a slope of the given function or a given curve y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Next is find the slope of the normal to the curve x is equal to a into cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. To find slope of a normal, first we have to find slope of a tangent, that is m value we have to find. Slope of a normal formula is minus 1 by m. Here m is a slope of a tangent, but here x is a function of theta and y is also function of theta. Then m is equal to, we know m is equal to dy by dx, but y is a function of theta. We have to differentiate y with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta whole divided by x is again a function of theta. We have to differentiate x with respect to theta, that is dx by d theta, that is equal to differentiate y with respect to theta. A is a constant, a into sin cube theta is a 3 into sin square theta into differentiation of sin theta is a cos theta divided by a into cos cube theta. A is constant, differentiation of cos cube theta is 3 cos square theta into differentiation of cos theta is a minus sin theta, minus take outside. Here 3 getting cancelled, a is getting cancelled, 1 sin getting cancelled, 1 cos getting cancelled. So sin theta by cos theta, left sin by cos theta is equal to tan theta minus sin. This is the value of a m, that is a slope of a tangent, but we have to find a slope of a normal. Slope of a normal is equal to minus 1 by m. Before that, at pi theta is equals to pi by 4, substitute theta is equals to pi by 4, so minus tan pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 divided by m value is minus 1, so minus 1 by minus 1 is 1. Now let's see next problem, fourth problem. Find the point on the curve y is equal to square root of 4x minus 1 where the slope of the tangent is 2 by 3. The slope of the tangent, that is m value is given, m is equal to 2 by 3. We have to find a point on the curve. Slope of the tangent formula we know that is dy by dx. We have to differentiate this y value with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of square root of any value is 1 by 2 into square root of that value into differentiation of a given function inside the square root. This is equal to 1 by 2 into square root of 4x minus 3 into differentiation of 4x is 4 minus differentiation of 1 is 0. So, but dy by dx is a slope of a tangent. Slope of the tangent value is given, that is 2 by 3. Substitute here, that is 2 by 3 is equal to 4 into 1 4 divided by 2 into square root of 4x minus 3. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are, again 2 1s are 2 1s are getting cancelled. Cross multiply here. Square root of 4x minus 3 is equal to 3. So 4x square on both sides, it becomes square and square root getting cancelled. 4x minus 3 is equal to 3 square is 9. So 4x is equal to 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. That implies x is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. We get x is equal to 3, we have to find the point on a curve, that is we have to find a y value. So substitute x equal to 3 in the given equation, that is y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. Here x is equal to 3, square root of 4 into 3 minus 1, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Whenever x is equal to 3, y value is 2, therefore the required point on the curve is 3, 2. Next, fifth problem, find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 where the tangent is parallel to x axis. Here slope of the given curve is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus differentiation of x square is 2x, 2 3 is 6x minus differentiation of 9x is 9. If a tangent is parallel to x axis, then slope is equal to 0. Tangent is parallel to x axis, then the slope is equal to 0. Therefore equate this equation to 0. We get x divided by 3, then x square minus 3 2 is 6x, 2x minus 3 3 is 9, that is equal to 0. On factorizing this equation, we get x minus 3 into x plus 1, that is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this one? Either this term is 0 or this term is 0. Suppose this term is 0, then we get x is equal to 3. Suppose this term is 0, x is equal to minus 1. Suppose x is equal to 3, find the value of y, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Substitute 3 here, we get minus 20. Suppose x is equal to minus 1, find the y value. Y is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7, that is equal to 12. Therefore required points on the given curve is 3, minus 20 and minus 1, 12. Next, sixth problem, find the point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point 2, 0 and 4, 4. It is given that slope of the line joining 2, 0 and 4, 1, slope is formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the general formula of any point. 2 points are given on a line, then for y2 is 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2, that is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore slope of the tangent is equal to m is equal to dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x, that is 2 times of x minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1, but the value of m is 2, therefore 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2 getting cancelled, x minus 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 1. Therefore required point on this curve when chord joining points are 2, 0 and 4, 4 is 3, 1. Next one, find points on the curve x square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 16 is equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x axis and tangents are parallel to y axis. Tangents are parallel to x axis, then slope is equal to 0. But slope is equal to differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx we have to find. This is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x divided by 9 plus differentiation of y square is 2y into differentiation of y is y dash divided by 16, that is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0. We have to find the value of y dash. So 2 into y dash divided by 16 is equals to bring this side, that is minus 2 into x divided by 9 except y dash, bring all the value or transpose all the value to the another side. We will get 16 is divided comes to this side, this becomes multiplied, that is 16x divided by 9y, that is equals to minus 16x divided by 9y is equal to 0 because the tangent is parallel to x-axis, means the y dash value is 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. So 9y into 0 is equal to 0, minus 16x equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 0. Whenever x is equal to 0, we have to find the value of y by using this equation. Substitute x equal to 0 here, 0 by 9 is 0, so y square divided by 16 is equal to 1, that implies y square is equal to 16 into 1 is 16, y square equal to 16, then y is equal to square root of 16, therefore y is equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore the required point when tangent is parallel to x-axis is 0 plus or minus 4. Next is when the tangent is parallel to y-axis. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, then y dash or differentiation of given function y is equal to infinity. But y dash value just obtained, that is minus 16x by 9y. This is equal to infinity means the denominator must be equal to 0, because any value divided by 0 is equal to infinity. Therefore denominator equal to 0, that implies 9y is equal to 0. 9y equal to 0, 9 is never be equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 0. When y equal to 0, substitute the value of y equal to 0 in the given equation, then we get x equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore plus or minus 3 comma 0 is the another required point when the given curve is parallel to y axis. Come to next problem, 8th one, that is y is equal to x cube, at which point slope of the tangent is equal to y axis. The given curve is y is equal to x cube, we have to find the slope, therefore differentiate the given equation with respect to y, then dy by dx equal to differentiation of x cube is 3 into x square. And this is given that slope of the tangent is equal to y-axis. Slope of the tangent is 3x square. This is equal to y-axis, that is equal to y. From equation 1, y is equal to x cube. Substitute in equation 2, we get 3x square. Where y is there, substitute x cube, that is equal to x cube. Transpose 3x square to this side, that is x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. In these two terms, x square is common, x square into x minus 3 is equal to 0. If multiplication of two term is equal to 0 means either first term is 0 or a second term is 0. Suppose x square is 0, then x equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0 implies x equal to 3. When x equal to 0, substitute in equation 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 0 cube, that is equal to 0. When x equal to 3, substitute in equation 1, that is 3 cube is 27. Therefore required points are 0, 0 and 0, 3, 27. Ninth problem, find the equation of the tangents and the normal of y is equal to x put to the power 4 minus 6 into x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 1, 3. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx, that is equal to differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4 into x cube minus 6x cube, differentiation is 6 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square, 6 3 is 18x square plus 13 into differentiation of x square is 2x, so 13 2 is 26, 26x minus differentiation of 10x is 10, that is equal to m. At 1, 3, then slope value, that is m is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 18 into 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10, that is m is equal to 2. The equation of the tangent at 1, 3 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 value is 3 and x1 value is 1. Substitute y1, x1 and y1 value and m value in this equation, we will get y minus 3 is equal to 2 times of x minus 1. Y minus 3 is equal to 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 1 is 2. That is equal to 2x minus y. Minus 3 comes to this side, this becomes plus 3 minus 2 is equal to plus 1. So 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent at 1, 3. Then equation of a normal is y minus y1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Here m value is 2 and y1 value is 3 and x1 value is 1. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. Transpose 2 to this side, that is 2 into y minus 2 is equal to minus into x is minus x, minus into minus plus, so into 1. 2 into y is 2y minus 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. Transpose this minus x to this side, x plus 2y minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2y minus 7 is the equation of the normal at 1, 3. Next 10th problem, find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve xy square is equal to 16 at the point where the ordinate is a minus 2. Ordinate value is minus 2 means y is equal to minus 2. When y is equal to minus 2, substitute in this equation x into minus 2 square is equal to 16. Minus 2 square is 4. X into 4 is equal to 16. That implies x equal to 16 by 4. So x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 2. This is the required point. For this point we have to find the equation of a tangent and a normal to the curve x into y square is equal to 16. Now y square, differentiate this equation with respect to y, that is the slope, that is a y square plus x into 2 into y dash is equal to differentiation of 16 is a 0. At 4, 2 means substitute the value of x and y is equal to 4 and minus 2 respectively to this equation. We get minus 2 square plus 4 into 2 into minus 2 into y dash is equal to 0. 2 square is 4 minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 into y dash is equal to 0. So y dash is equal to 4 divided by 16, that is 1 by 4, that is the value of m. Now equation of a tangent at 4, minus 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 2 is y plus 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into x minus 4. So 4 transpose to this side, 4 into y is 4y, 4 to the 8 is equal to x minus 4. So x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the equation of a tangent of a given curve xy square equal to 16 at the point 4, minus 2. The slope of the tangent is 1 by 4, therefore the slope of the normal is minus 1 by m, that is equal to minus 1 by 4, that is equal to minus 4. Therefore equation of a normal at 4, minus 2 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Therefore y minus of minus 2 is y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 4. Y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 4x minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. Transpose for minus 4x to this side, that becomes plus 4x plus y minus 16 plus 2 is a minus 14, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal at 4, minus 2 to the curve xy square is equal to 16. Now come to 11th problem. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal of the curve 1 plus x square into y is equal to 2 minus x at the point where it crosses x-axis. It is given that the curve crosses x-axis means y value is equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in the given equation to find the value of x. Here 1 plus x square into y value is 0 is equal to 2 minus x. 0 into any value is 0. 0 is equal to 2 minus x. Therefore x equal to 2. Therefore the required point of the equation is 2, 0. Now find the slope of the equation, that is differentiate with respect to x. 1 plus x square into y. Here we have to use the product rule, that is first term into differentiation of second term plus the second term into differentiation of a first term. So y into differentiation of 1 plus x square, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x square is 2x. So 2x into y plus first term into differentiation of a second term, that is 1 plus x square into differentiation of y is y dash, that is equal to differentiation of 2 is 0 minus differentiation of x is 1, so minus 1. At the point 2 comma 0, substitute value of x is equal to 2 and y equal to 0. In this equation we get 2 into 2 into 0. This whole term becomes 0 because y is 0. 1 plus x square, here x is equal to 2, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 into y dash is equal to minus 1. So y dash is equal to minus 1 divided by 5. This is the value of a slope at 2 comma 0. We have to find the equation of a tangent and normal. Formula of equation of a tangent formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 5 into x minus 2, that is equal to 5 transpose to this side, that is 5 into y is 5y is equal to minus 1 into x is minus x, minus into minus plus 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of a tangent at 2 comma 0. Next is slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by m. Here m is equal to minus 1 by 5. So slope of the normal is minus minus getting cancelled, 1 by 5 is 5. Therefore the equation of the normal is y minus 0 into 5 into x minus 2, that is equal to y is equal to 5 into x is 5x, 5 into 2 is 10, plus into minus minus. So 5x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 is the equation of a normal at 2 comma 0 of a given curve. Next problem, show that the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 is always a tangent to the curve x by a power n plus y by b power n is equal to 2 at a point a comma b. So differentiate the given equation. We have to find the slope of this equation, that is x by a whole to the power n plus y by b whole to the power n is equal to 2. So differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to n into x by a whole power n minus 1 into differentiation of x by a is 1 by a plus n into y by b whole to the power n into differentiation of y by b is 1 by b into differentiation of y is y dash, that is equal to differentiation of 2 is 0. At point a comma b means x is equal to a and y equal to b. Substitute x equal to a and y equal to b here. N into a by a whole to the power n minus 1 into 1 by a plus n into b by b whole to the power n minus 1 into 1 by b into y dash is equal to 0. Here a by a is 1. 1 power n minus 1, 1 power any value is 1 only. Here b by b is 1, b 1 power any value is 1 only. So we get n into 1 into 1 by a plus n into 1 into 1 by b into y dash is equal to 0. That is n by a plus n by b into y dash is equal to 0. We have to find the slope, that is y dash. So y dash is equal to transpose n by a to this side, that is minus n by a into n by b is multiplied here, comes to this side b by n. n getting cancelled, so y dash is equal to minus b by a is equal to m. This is the slope. Therefore the equation of the tangent at a comma b is y minus b is equal to minus b by a into x minus a. That is equal to y by b minus b by b is equal to minus x by a minus into minus plus a by a is 1. So x by a plus y by b is b by b is 1, a by a is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Therefore this is the equation of the tangent to the curve x by a whole to the power n plus y by b whole to the power n is equal to 2. Next 13th problem, find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve y is equal to 3x square plus 2 at the point where the slope of the tangent is minus 6. It is given that slope of the tangent is minus 6, that is m value is equal to minus 6. But the equation is given y is equal to 3x square plus 2. By using this equation we can find the value of x. That is dy by dx is a slope m is equal to 6x. Differentiation of 3x square is 6x, but m is equal to minus 6, so equate this equation to minus 6. So 6x is equal to minus 6 implies x is equal to minus 1. When x equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 square is 1, 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore required point of a tangent and normal is a minus 1 comma 5. At the point -1, 5, the equation of a tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y1 value is minus 5 and x1 value is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is a plus 1. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 6 is the slope of a tangent. It is given. Minus 6 into x plus 1. That is y minus 5 is equal to minus 6 into x is minus 6. Minus 6 into plus 1 is minus 6. So transpose this minus 6x minus 6 to left hand side. We get 6x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a tangent at minus 1, 5. Next is slope of the normal is minus 1 by m, but m value is minus 6. Minus minus is plus. That is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, the equation of normal is y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 6 into x plus 1. Transpose 6 to this side. 6 into y is 6y. Minus 6 5 is 30 is equal to x plus 1. So, x minus 6y plus 31 is equal to 0 is the equation of the normal at minus 1, 5.